Hi guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and this is a off-grid chick update. Day 3, I took out the little cardboard box and I lined the dog kennel. I put the original dog kennel tray in here in the bottom, and I lined it with cardboard. Basically I cut a box in half and then lined the kennel with cardboard, and that prevents birds from getting through the sides. We're here where they can easily come and go with no problem, and it prevents the cats from hurting the birds, and it provides a little bit of warmth and insulation, but most importantly it keeps all that filth from getting out in the house. Now they've got a little more room in here to move. This is only going to last a week or so at best, till we have to divide them up into separate containers. Tomcat likes to watch the birds. Look at this guy. He drapes himself on here and watches the birds. He loves them. So this is temporary again, but because they're going to grow fast. And remember, these birds are from egg to freezer between 8 and 12 weeks. So they're super fast growing birds. So they're going to outgrow this new home very rapidly. We'll be doubling this up, basically, but again, because they grow so fast, they'll probably feather out quicker than your average birds. Already you can see their wings feathering a little bit, and they're only a few days old. So they're really, really fast growers, and they're getting a little bit of fat on their bodies already. So these are broilers, meat chickens, and not your typical barnyard chicken. So everything's going to be different here, and much, much, much faster. So there you go, guys. Raising off-grid chickens in the house with no electricity and no outside source of warmth needed except for the wood stove, which is right here next to the chickens. Now this is a really insulated special type of a wood furnace, so I can leave this open without danger of burning the cardboard here. I can put my hand on here, okay, and hold it there forever. So it's unique. So use your best judgment. If you do decide to put your chickens next to a wood stove, don't cook your chickens. But anyway, there they are, happy as anything. That's the next update at 3 days old. Well, 3 days since we got them. Off-grid chickens, no electricity, energy-free, off-grid chickens. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Talk to you later.